Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with NerdWallet UK Review My Usage Experience. NerdWallet UK Review My Usage Experience offers a comparison tool for various financial products in the UK, such as credit cards, loans, and insurance. Its main purpose is to help users find the best deals based on their individual needs and circumstances. Key features include comparison tables, detailed product information, and user reviews. Their website provides details on all the available products and features. Their website positions itself as a free, unbiased resource for consumers. It emphasizes ease of use, claiming to simplify the often complex process of comparing financial products. They highlight pricing transparency, although specific pricing for the products compared isn't handled by NerdWallet itself. Availability is nationwide, covering most major financial products offered in the UK. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using NerdWallet UK Review My Usage Experience. I needed to find a new credit card with a low April, and NerdWallet was the first place I looked. Getting started was a breeze. The website is very intuitive. I simply answered a few quick questions about my credit score and spending habits, and it presented me with a list of suitable options. Navigating the interface was straightforward. I could easily compare different cards side by side using their clear comparison tables. The results were comprehensive and detailed, including information on fees, interest rates, and rewards programs. I was particularly impressed by the inclusion of user reviews, which provided valuable insights beyond the basic product specifications. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself using it primarily on my desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with NerdWallet. The tool saved me a considerable amount of time and effort, and I'm confident I found a much better credit card deal than I would have found searching on my own. That's my overview of NerdWallet UK Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.